Shares of Amex actually looking down this morning.
And that's an opportunity.
What about the prospect there? I mean, the business spending is still important for them as well. We all know T&E budgets basically went to zero. I mean, who's taken out their corporate card in the last year?
First of all, the millennials, there was a tremendous uptick in millennials. Really amazing, frankly. And
amongst their card members.
Yes, and they had a big increase in e-commerce. I thought it would come at the expense of regular spend. It didn't. Regular spend has held up. But most importantly, David, travel among people who have been pent up, restaurants, they expect very big numbers, Q3 and Q4, David, business travel.
Q4 business travel. Yeah, I mean, starting to come back.
Yes. Yeah. Now, everyone does mention the banks.
Right.
But I think it's the softwares and the consultants.
That's what I wonder more. I mean, the bankers they're just going to start getting on planes again to some extent. And if you see your competitor do it, you're going to do it. Sure. As long as you're invited by the client and actually can go into the building if it requires a meeting inside somebody's building, where right now, usually it's off limits to outsiders.
Yes, that's really. But I think that's about to change.
Hopefully that will soon change. Yes. But you're saying it's not just that. It's what? In terms of, I mean, beyond bankers, it's software. That I wonder more. The sales forces.
That's who has to go.
Those kinds of, not Salesforce the company, the sales force of these companies.
Well, those are face-to-face.
Right.
You're selling a big software. I mean, I can't believe how well they're doing, given that it's just so hard to sell something through Zoom. Very complicated, and they're doing it.
But they are doing it.
They are doing it.
So why get back on a plane if you're succeeding in doing
because
that?
The other guys,
and you're saving
the other guys getting back on the plane.
On margin.
Yeah, I know. I keep thinking that the numbers are all inflated in corporate America because the travel's down so low.
So think about those companies. They have they have conferences and meetings, and
they've
sales,
done very well with them.
Yeah.
But I mean, Salesforce had one in L.A. yesterday.
Right.
2 days ago, where they're having conferences. They're doing presentations around the world.
In person
presentations, but staged presentations. And Mark Benioff thinks it's going to help. One of the things, Carl, that I think is so significant at American Express, the pay down of debt in this country. I think if you go back 10 years, people thought we're profligate. People thought that we're the worst gamblers, that we just spend well beyond our means. Boy, is that ever over, Carl. We are now skinflints. And the pay down of debt at American Express is so significant that it actually hurt their earnings.
That's we as in corporate America, not America.
No, America. America.
Not the federal government.
No, that's not. They're as profligate as ever. No, I'm regular Americans.
Got it.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.